Hey everybody, Mark Bazinski here, and this is my latest video and my latest project. So stay tuned and you'll see what I've got going on. So here's my garden. Still a work in progress. Strawberries, carrots, peppers, tomatoes, lemongrass, beans, more tomatoes. I got garlic, beets, potatoes. So right in between this area here and this one right here, right down the middle here, I'm gonna be digging this out, laying the piping that's for my rocket heater. Okay, so that was my garden area. As you can see, the area is not quite built up as I've seen in other people's postings or videos, but I am just getting started. Got a lot of the materials all ready to get me started. I have probably a week or so of digging that I need to do, and then I can start laying some of the brick down there. I do expect to have to buy more materials as I get going with this, but at the very least, I've got something, I've got the material available that I can get started. Now, if you look at my videos or on the posting, you'll have seen that there are some examples of rocket mass heaters that I posted on my Facebook page. All right, so that's my project. That is what I am currently working on. And if you're interested in it, please subscribe to my channel, click on that like button, and leave a comment below. As these videos come out, I appreciate any and all input to what I am working on. Maybe you got a better way of doing something. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure this out myself. So if you want more information, or if you're just interested in seeing what I'm doing, go ahead and come and check me out. Appreciate it, and I'll see you outside.